Good morning, everybody. It is March 29th, 2026, and I am at a car show in the south area of Savannah, Georgia. So it's a little bit of an overcast day, as you can see. And let's get started. Hopefully some people want to talk about their cars. Maybe we'll see some motorcycles while we're out here. Stuff of that nature.
I'll show you.
All right. There we go. That's a good start right there. A VMAX. Yamaha. I've always wanted one of those bikes. Unfortunately, I ended up buying a Harley Davidson instead, and to this day still regret it, because my first really good bike was a Yamaha 650 Special, and Yamaha just builds a great bike. All right, look at that beautiful color. Hold on for a minute. We're going to take a good look at this engine. All right. SS. It's just a beautiful car. A lot of work's been put into this vehicle. I just love this color. Even on the inside, look at that beautiful seats. All the gauges. This baby has been pampered. Super sport. Beautiful. Is this yours? Is the bike yours?
No, sir. Not that.
You just like hanging out?
Yeah.
Cool.
Good morning.
Just a beautiful vehicle, 572. So here's some stats on it. 1967 Chevy Nova 2 SS. Beautiful car. Might be a little windy, I apologize. It's a shame the sun isn't out. It was out earlier. Look at the beautiful colors. The flame in here. Or the drops. They've done a beautiful restoration on this. Updated it on the inside. I know the sun's not out, but I'm telling you, this car is absolutely perfect.
Now that one's mine.
That one's yours. That's beautiful. I love the blue.
This one here, the red one's the wife.
Oh, really? Cool. So you got a cool wife. She's not in the trunk, right?
No, I don't know where she went.
What do you call that? Is that flames or teardrops? The blue
Oh,
flames. Absolutely beautiful. How long have you owned them? How long have you owned these vehicles?
Been a while.
A long time?
Yeah.
I mean, where'd you get these painted? It's just such a perfect job. I don't even want to. I mean, look, that looks like it's a new car, if not better. Here local, you from Savannah?
Yeah, Savannah.
Cool. Well, nice meeting you. What's your name?
John.
John, nice to meet you. I'm Theo.
Hey, Theo. Nice to meet you, bud.
I'll see you again, sir.
Follow around now.
Check out those headers. Very cool. And here we have a, as it says, if you can read that, Black Betty Chevrolet Chevette SS 502 big block V8, 502 horsepower, 750 CFM 4-barrel, 3-speed automatic, front disc, power steering. They got the hooker headers. Just a beautiful vehicle. Check out that engine. To the kids, see, I'm not the only one that buys models of my cars. Look at the beautiful lines on this vehicle and the beautiful paint job. It's just like the other two we just saw. These are absolutely showroom condition. Richmond Hill area. See the stabilizer bar under there? Never been a fan of the big 70s and 60s trunks, but they're still pretty huge. Look at that. Automatic. Just a sweet, clean car. Tilt steering wheel. AM, FM radio. I can't tell from here if it's an 8-track, might not be. 1970 Chevette SS L35. Yeah, that's a nice big Chevy truck. It's got heads-up display and everything. Pretty cool. It's a nice truck. Check out those wheels. Quad exhaust. Here we got Pop's Rat. You talk about rock slinger. Do not get behind one of these. What we have here is a 1931 Ford Model A Rat Rod Classic. Just in case you're thirsty.
Well, you kind of can't
Do the picture, yeah.
Yeah, by virtue of what you do. So,
Okay, Panzer, tell me about it.
so in 1980, my dad bought this car
Okay.
for my brother to drive while he was in high
You
school.
mind if we listen in?
Oh, that's fine.
Please continue then.
So he bought this car for my brother to drive while he was in high school until he got his car and he was here to store it. My brother and his buddy, they were taking German in high school. Okay, Panzer is a German tank.
Right.
So it picks up the name of the Panzer. And so, you know, it just...
The big tank in Germany.
Is there anything else we can call it?
This is a beautiful Impala. Very, very well kept. The lady was saying how this was a vehicle that her dad had bought for her brother. (120-mile-an-hour speed limit, or speedometer, sorry. Beautiful car. We have another SS. Beautiful deep brown. 402. 325 horsepower. Power steering. disc brakes, front, drum in the back. Beautiful interior. Check out the Coca-Cola bottles. All they need is some peanuts. There's the 8-track. Beautiful, beautiful interior. Gotta love those racing stripes. Some memorabilia from 1972. Gorgeous car. Tilt steering wheel. You see they even got the 8-track ready to go. Throw some Eagles in there and it's 72 again. Chevette SS, Mrs. Tina Ross. This thing's just wild. Wonder where that's the camshaft out of. Some truck. Look at the huge size. This is a rat rod. Scott Hunt. All right. Anybody into lime green? It's the Roadrunner. Check it out. It goes all the way down. Roadrunner. And beautiful seats. Obviously aftermarket, but still beautiful. This is a 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. Mr. and Mrs. Buck. Or just Mr. Buck. Look at that. Active. Active induction. 446 barrel. That baby's 6. Boom, boom, boom. Obviously refitted with high-end disc brakes. With this kind of power, you want to be able to stop this baby. You got the clean lines. Kind of a high level to put your stuff in, but still, big trunk. All right, let's go over to the other side. These people are registering their vehicles so they can hopefully win in whatever categories they are participating in. All right, we're going to get started over here. Back behind me, as you can see, is an RV campgrounds. Pretty nice ones too. They stretch all the way across. At a playground, I think there's even a pool back there. All right. We still have cars coming in. Here we have a 442, 1970. Oldsmobile, Mr. Stanley. Very bright orange with a beautiful black interior. Dual exhaust, at least dual tips. Nice spoiler. They got some upgraded tech and then some of the original. You got yourself an automatic. Still, what a beautiful car. All right. Have us a Corvette. Corvette Red Star 50th anniversary. I mean, every year they come out with something with Corvettes. Anyhow, 2003, when everything's special, unfortunately, they no longer are that special. But Corvettes are beautiful. Don't get me wrong, I love them. But the way GM and Chevrolet have marketed and saturated the market with these vehicles and all these special editions, I mean, the only thing limited about most of these editions is that they're limited to build as many as they can sell. Quad exhaust. I don't know why I love red so much, but I do. Automatic. Here we have us a Mustang. Mach T. Mr. Ed owns it, a 1970. A nice maroon color. $351. Very clean. Very clean engine. Spoiler back there. Very cool. I guess DUI mobile. Nineteen 1936, Mr. Schumann. Pretty wild. Okay, this is what's in here. Anybody know what engine that is? This is a 72 Chevy truck. Interesting. I don't know if I'd put this kind of money into this body, but interesting. And keep in mind, this was done on purpose, I think. Maybe not the tailgate, but definitely the rest of the body paint is intentional. So, pretty cool. (1972) Chevy shop truck. Holland shop ass truck. There's a cool little Mitsubishi. This is a '89 Conquest. I always thought they were pretty cool. There's another Ford found on road dead. I guess she's chilling. Some women just aren't into this. I'm sorry. It's a Chrysler, but I know Mitsubishi built it. Please put in the comments if I'm not correct. Here's a 66. That was a tree. Here's a 66 Mustang. .289 engine. Beautiful car. This reminds me of Roland Valdez. Really good guy, lives up in Avondale, Georgia, in the Atlanta area. He had a beautiful Firebird. just like this. It's just about the same color. And it was a convertible. I wonder if that car is still alive anywhere, or if any parts of it still exist. This is a beautiful car. Beautiful racing stripes. They're going to have to take that off if they go to Florida. Tag covers are illegal. By the way, I had to take a quick break and check that mess out. We'll look at it on the way around. Okay, look, they've got aftermarket seats, tilt steering original. Those gauges are cool. 5-speed. It's a beautiful car. This is a 68 Firebird. Mr. John and Judy. I'm sorry, that's just not for me. Here's another Camaro SS.
This is actually from the TV.
Look at the detail chrome in this engine.
When they had the actor strike, the guy who leased the vehicle.
Original interior, automatic. SS 350 badging. Dual exhaust. This vehicle is just in perfect shape. A 1983 Chevy K5 Blazer. Whew, look at the freaking color of this vehicle and look at this engine. Unbelievable. Look at the engine bay. Wow, look at the leather. It's a 5-speed. Even the brakes have been redone. Nice trunk. Dual exhaust, dual tips. Stranger number 3, if y'all remember the movie. There's a Charger.
Yeah, look at the interior.
'68 Dodge Charger, Mr. Scott. This is the Super Commando. Super Commando. Something's disconnected. Sorry about that, guys. I'm still getting used to the angle on this new camera. Automatic. She needs some loving, that's for sure, but she's a beautiful car. Something a little more modern. This is a 2023 Challenger RT. That's a really cool shaker.
Pretty good little bit.
Probably safer down there if nobody steps on it. What happened to the, it's supposed to be a sunny day?
It's just hot.
Getting you some video, man.
Me, heck yeah, man. Share it with all the old folks that can't walk around anymore.
There you go. I like that. Thank you for doing that.
And then I'll watch it to remind me of what I got to see. Beautiful car, man.
Thank you.
Is that really a video?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought it was a stand.
No, man, it's like
Isn't that cool?
battery, and then this whole thing kind of moves on its own. I can actually set it up and use my phone to control it. It's really cool. Hey, man, AI is great till it decides to kill us. Then we won't like it anymore. 71 GM 442 convertible. Look how beautiful that engine is.
This is more of a tribute to a 442.
Hey, it's tribute's good.
She make about 500 horse.
She does right now?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, bro.
Giddy up.
So LED lights, headlights, you put all those in?
Yeah, the old ones were so dim you couldn't see how to drive it. My wife bought me them for Christmas.
That's pretty cool. They look cool too.
I can see how to drive it.
Her shifter.
You mean
Dual tip. This came from Waycross, Georgia, most likely. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful Monte Carlo. Is that yours?
Yeah.
What year is she?
You were talking to this.
Oh, I am talking to this.
car there.
But now I'm talking to you. If you don't mind being on my YouTube channel.
Go ahead.
So what year is yours?
1970. I've had it for 50 years.
Wow.